There's one more thing we have to add to our circle of fifths now to make it explain the rest of the information that you need to know. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our red marker again here, and we're going to put what's called the order of sharps in music. So we're going to put that right in the middle here. Order of sharps. The order of sharps is fat cats go dancing at Eddie's bar. Fat cats go dancing at Eddie's bar. So now we'll take the blue marker and we're going to do the order of flats. Now one really cool thing about music is that everything is like the inverse of something else. So the order of flats is B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat, which you'll find is actually the complete reverse or inverse of the order of sharps. Another cool thing about the order of sharps and the order of flats, if you look at the key signature at the beginning of any piece of music you're playing, you're going to find that if there are sharps written, they'll always be written in this sort of zigzag kind of shape, which corresponds directly to the order of sharps. And the same thing goes for the order of flats. The flats will be written in this zigzaggy kind of shape coming down the staff, and it's going to be the order of flats. So, to complete our lesson on the circle of fifths, basically what happens is if you want to know what the key signature of any of these keys is, all you have to do is find the key that you want and directly relate it to the order of sharps, order of flats. So for instance, the key of G we know is 1 over from C. It has 1 sharp in it, so the sharp in that key is going to be F sharp. So what you do is you start on G and you spell alphabetically. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and now G. And every scale will be spelled alphabetically. There will be one type of G, one type of A, one type of B, one type of C, so on and so forth. You can't have 2 of the same types of notes in music. Breaks the rules. Key of D would have 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Key of A would have 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Over to the key of E, which has 4 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Over to the key of B, which has 5 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. 6 sharps all the way to E sharp, and 7 sharps all the way to B sharp. And that's how the order of sharps work. We go over to the order of flats now. Same thing, just in reverse. So the key of F has 1 flat in it. It's going to be B flat. Key of B flat has 2 flats in it, B flat and E flat. Key of E flat has 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Key of A flat has 4 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. 5 flats, 6 flats, and 7 flats. And that is basically how the circle of fifths works. So it's a really great tool to organize all the information you need to know about key centers. And in the next video, we're going to talk about something called, what are we going to talk about? Relative minor scales. And on the inside of the circle, we're going to go ahead and write those in here to complete the entire circle of fifths, which is basically, if you understand what's on here really well, you should be able to get through basic music theory class without having too much problems. So